Rais William Ruto ugite kagita ni gakinyete kanthiguru cha Afrika gwaka macibitari ja MWINGI ja kwirigirika. Rais ugite nkuru kia Afrika nandi nibateere gukiria kathari kayo kenda kinya kuthondeka NCHACHAMO ciao na gutiga kwirigaira kuma nthiguruni ciao. Rais Ruto akwaragia kirigikaro kia mbere kia Africa Centers for Disease Control na kuga ati Afrika nibateere guciumia kirimantu jegi ugimba MWINGI ni untu mitundu kwegeta na mbere kwija na yomba kubaramira bonene.
Has late access to its independence.
Commitment exercice de l'Union africaine. Excellences, Mesdames,
of the Pretoria Peace Accord between the Ethiopian...
Your Excellencies, the health sector is a key pillar of our Agenda 2063, focusing on building resilient health systems powered by technology and innovation. The last 3 years have taught us the importance of a robust health sector following the example of global response to COVID-19 pandemic. Political goodwill was found as the greatest ingredient for world leaders to work together, cooperate, and coordinate efforts for the betterment of humanity. Your Excellencies, inclusivity should be embraced audaciously. For a long time, Africa suffered consequences of isolation from global health conversation. With time, benefit sharing is a term that gained momentum over the last 3 years when African countries, such as Kenya, participated in the development of different vaccines. In addition, trials and genotyping information were freely shared. However, after the vaccines underwent regulatory review and approval, an equivalent benefit of the aforementioned technology shared was not realized by African countries.